Feeling nervous about driving automatic cars? Buddy, many beginners think automatic cars are super easy, but the truth is, it still requires skill. Studies show new drivers often misuse pedals or forget basic safety checks. The solution is to start small and focus on the basics. First tip, always check your seat, mirrors, and handbrake before starting. You see those letters on the gear lever, P, R, N, and D? Many beginners get confused. Buddy, the most common mistake is mixing up the brake and gas. The solution is to train your right foot to always cover the brake when unsure. Parking can make anyone sweat, bro. Start with empty parking lots before moving to crowded spaces. Ever felt awkward at red lights? Experts recommend using the brake gently and shifting to neutral if waiting long. Traffic jams can stress out anyone. The solution is patience. Breathe slowly and focus on smooth pedal use. Joining a highway feels intense, right? Use the acceleration lane to match the speed of traffic. Always signal early and check blind spots. Speed control is everything. Learn to use cruise control if your car has it. Safe driving is about control, not speed. Driving at night is tough because visibility drops. Keep headlights clean and use low beam in traffic. Rain makes roads slippery. Slow down and avoid sudden moves. Keep tires in good condition and use wipers early. Those lights aren't decorations, bro. Each one signals something important. Never ignore the check engine or transmission light. Transmission is the heart of an automatic car. Service regularly and check fluid levels. Respect on the road makes driving safer. Give way, avoid honking too much, and stay polite. Treat others how you want to be treated. Buddy, driving an automatic car is about patience, awareness, and practice. If this video helped you, like, share, and comment your driving experiences. Safe roads and happy journeys.